Good afternoon, students. On behalf of Onic Edu Center, we are here again to calculate the average values of grouped data. In my earlier classes, one after another, I had explained how to calculate the mean, the three processes, along with the median in my previous class. Today, the last one, to calculate average value of group data, that is mode. Here, to calculate mode, the basic formula is, I am explaining here, the mode equal to xk, or someone writes it as L, xk plus h into fk minus 1 to fk minus fk minus 1 minus fk plus 1. What are these? This is xk. Xk means lower limit of the model class. Here the first question you can ask me, which is the model class? Now in this point you will be given information through tabular form or in any other way, that is class intervals along with their frequencies. The model class is that which class will contain the biggest or largest or highest frequency. These class intervals will contain frequencies. The class that will contain the highest frequency, that class will be considered as the model class. Here no other tabular calculation is necessary. Just from the class interval and from frequencies you can calculate the mode. Here xk, here the lower limit of the model class, fk, frequency of the model class, fk minus 1, frequency of the class that just preceding to the model class, and fk plus 1, that is frequency of the class just succeeding to the model class. And last one, the h, you know, h is the width of the class interval. So what is the formula? Mode equal to lower boundary of the model class plus h into within second bracket, h means width of the model class, fk, frequency of the model class, minus fk minus 1, that is the frequency just preceding to the model class, by 2fk, 2 into frequency of the model class minus the frequency of the preceding class of the model class minus fk plus 1, the frequency succeeding to the model class. And you will put these values and you will find the mode of that grouped data. Now I am doing a math to show this, to calculate the mode. Here through a simple math I will show the calculation of mode. Here I have written a simple math, class intervals and frequency. Class intervals 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 28, 20 to 30, 7, 30 to 40, 12, 40 to 50, 28, 50, 60, 20, 60 to 70, 10, 70 to 80, 10. These are the class intervals, these are the frequency. No, according to our formula, how to calculate this mode. Now first I have to find out the model class. Model class, I already told you, model class, the class which will contain the highest frequency. Here this is the model class, because this class containing the highest frequency. So model class equal to 40 to 50. This model class containing the highest frequency, that is 28. Now, just after finding the model class, you can calculate the mood simply. Here formula is written: mood equal to lower boundary of the model class, that is 40, plus h. H is the I have written earlier, h is the width of the model class. Here 40 to 50, width of the model class is 10. Then give the second bracket, that is into. Here Fk means frequency of the model class. Here it is 28, minus Fk minus 1, the frequency of the class just preceding to the model class, that is here Fk minus 1. Here it is 12. 2Fk, that is 2 into frequency of the model class, that is 28, minus Fk minus 1, the frequency of the model class just preceding to the model class, that is 12, minus the frequency of the model class just succeeding to the model class, that is 20. Here 40 is the lower boundary of the model class, 10 width of the model class, 28 frequency of the model class, 12 the frequency just preceding to the model class, 2 into Fk, that is 2 into frequency of the model class minus frequency of the preceding model class, and next the frequency of the class succeeding to the model class. Here 40 plus 10 into 16, 56 minus 32, that is 40 plus 10 into 16 by 16. Here, through a simple calculation, you can find the mood. Now, by applying these formulas, the calculation of mean in three processes: direct method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method, we can calculate the mean value, that is one of the averages. Then through using the CFI, we can calculate the median. Now, just by the class interval and the frequency, we can calculate the mood. These are the basic three formulas to calculate mean, median, and mood. Remember, all of these values are average values. To understand the average of a grouped data or grouped information, that what say wages of the worker, according to seniority, wages are increase and decrease. New appointee, someone is working for 10 years, so whenever I am going to say what is the wages of the salary of the staff of this company, then we have to calculate the average value. In statistics, we calculate the average value through the calculation of mean, median, and mode. Through these three processes, now we find the average and get a clear idea what is the average wages. In this way, in applicable spaces or in the places where we calculate the average value, that is mean, median and mode. This is the completion of the chapter, and if you have any query through our Unique Edu Center, you can submit your question and queries in our web portal such that we can solve your problems. Because it's mathematics, you may have some queries and questions, so please submit your comment such that if you have anything to know regarding this, we will try to solve that problem.